We'll guide you through how to fix NFC not working on a Samsung phone. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. This is really inconvenient because NFC is a convenient way to go and access things. You go and scan it and you can go and use it. So we're going to guide you through some different things you can try doing to go and fix it if it isn't working. Make sure it's a full guide, don't skip ahead, otherwise you may go and miss the method that solves the problem for you. So to go and get started, let's go and swipe up. You want to go and find the option for settings. You may swipe across to find it or press search at the top to go and find it. Now come to the top and find connections. Go down and find NFC and contactless payments and make sure this is switched on. Also, what you want to do is make sure you're using the right part of the phone when you're tapping the NFC tag. Use the upper part, as you can see in the diagram there. Come back and you can go and see if that then goes and solves it. If it doesn't, what you should try doing is if you've got a case on currently, you can go and remove it. Sometimes the case can go and interfere with the NFC. So try removing the case and then try tapping again and hopefully it's solved. If it still isn't, let's go and swipe up and come to your settings. You want to go and swipe down and find the option for apps. In apps, you need to come to the right and go and press these lines with the arrow pointing down. Where it says show system apps, switch that on and press OK. Then you can press search in the top right and type in NFC. Then you can find NFC here and tap, and you can go and scroll down and find the option for storage, and you can go and tap there. Then in the bottom right, you can press clear cache, and that'll then go and be cleared, and you can come out of here and try using it. Hopefully that then goes and solves it. If it still doesn't, you can go and just check if it needs an app. Sometimes NFCs may need to go and be used in an app. So you open up the app and there's like a scan button you can press and then you scan it. That isn't always the case though. Last of all, we can just try doing a restart. So you tap and hold the side button, then press restart and press restart again. When it comes back on, hopefully the problem's solved.